Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're all driving our 61 Ford F100 Unibody. 45,553 is the mileage being sold exempt. It's got dual exhaust or glass packs on it, so it's got some pretty good exhaust on it. Good driving old truck. On the road nice. V8, 3 on the tree. Pretty solid old truck out of North Dakota. They even had a name for it, as you'll see on the license plate, named Kendall. Goes down the road nice and straight. Going about 55. Guessing the temp gauge doesn't work. Of course, just has the lights for the other ones. But these are pretty cool trucks. Being a unibody, there's no split between the cab and the box. So it's one continuous line. This is a long box one. They do come short box and long box. I've had both. But they're just kind of neat trucks. Got a cracked window, that's one of the issues. Body's just kind of original type. Got a little bit, a couple little rust, and then of course some dings here and there, but for the most part, pretty solid truck. So, shift's good, 3-speed on the tree, or 3-speed on the column. We call them 3 on the trees, but 3-speed manual on the column works nice. So shift collar works good and everything. So any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.